Hello everyone, so today I am going to be reviewing this very stylish pair of sneakers by Louis Vuitton and Nike. This is that collaboration that everyone has been talking about, and I am going to be telling you all about how this happened and what to expect and how to get your hands on the sneakers if you want to buy them. Also, if you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also ring the bell, like that YouTube can notify you of when I upload my next video. So let's jump right in. So this is the first time that Nike actually has Air Force Ones. Oh my God, that was a tongue twister. This is the first time that Nike has Air Force Ones sneakers made outside of their factory. These are handmade in Italy. Now in 2022, it's been 40 years since Nike first launched the Air Force Ones. So these sneakers were designed by Virgil Abloh. In case you don't know him, maybe you're familiar, he passed away in 2021. He was the creative director for the men's collection for Louis Vuitton. He just so talented. If you are familiar with the Kardashians, that you would know that Kylie Jenner dressed up in off-white, that wedding gown that she wore, that is a collection that Virgil created, and she wanted to honor him, and yeah, she wore them. So these are not going to be coming out anymore because sadly, like I told you guys, he passed away. So these shoes are made with materials from Louis Vuitton. They are made out of cotton, rubber, and leather. It is the same design as the Air Force Ones, with the exception, obviously, of the materials. And then the Nike sign has the Louis Vuitton logo all throughout. It has the beautiful design that is known to Louis Vuitton because it's a combination of white and blue. On areas of the shoe, it says Air right here at the very bottom of the shoe, and then it does come pre-laced, and the laces say Lace It. Also on the back of the shoe, it says Louis Vuitton Paris. On the inside of the shoe, it does say Louis Vuitton for Nike. The tongue of the shoe also says Louis Vuitton Air, and it also has the Louis Vuitton logo all throughout. And then on the inside, it has the Louis Vuitton logo and the Nike logo. These are men's shoes. These are a size 14, so there's no way this fits me. I'm a size 6 in women's, but they are just the most stylish shoes that everyone has been talking about. Not everyone can get them. This is exclusive for Louis Vuitton, like VIP clients or VIC clients. So you really can't just go into the store and get them. Off the market, you guys are going to see them. They are priced insanely because this is a collector's item. The inside does have like a little serial number, and then it says 14 US, made in Italy. Like I told you guys, these are handmade in Italy. If you're into fashion, these are like the most important fashion statement that you can make. I really love the color blue. I think that if they had them in like a girl size, then I would totally wear them. I used to love Air Force Ones. I used to have the high tops, the white ones, when I was in middle school, and I was obsessed with them. I actually want another pair now. So now let's talk a little bit about the box, because it's not the usual box. The box on the outside just has like the Louis Vuitton logo, and when you open the box, that's when you are going to see the Nike logo, and then it does come with 2 separate dust bags and an extra pair of shoelaces. Something that is very nice about the shoes is that I think they are going to be very durable. I also really like the fact that this right here, like the white part, has the Louis Vuitton logo. I think the combination is just absolutely stunning. If you want to get your hands on one, my advice would be to go to the store, but most likely you are not going to be able to get them. But if you want to buy them off market, just keep in mind that they're going to be like super expensive. And these are shoes that you want to take good care of them if you're able to get them, because since Virgil passed away, these are with time just going to increase in value, and these are going to be remembered in the fashion industry because of his work and everything that he created. I hope that you loved this review. Let me know in the comments if you love Air Force Ones. I absolutely love them. I think they are beautiful, and if you would love a pair, I know I would love a pair as well, because these are just, you know, what every fashionista needs in their lives. Excellent taste, and I will see you on my next video. Also, I am uploading review videos here for bags like Hermes, Chanel, so if you want to take a look at those, you're more than welcome to do so. Also have travel vlogs in case you're new, from all around the world, from the Mediterranean to the UAE, because I love going on cruises. So if you want to check those out, those playlists are going to the link down below, and ring the bell, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.